Hey Colts, in this video we're going to learn some basic functions of Google Sheets. So if we wanted to add, subtract, multiply, or divide, or even find the sum and average, I'm going to show you how to do that here. So let's say if I wanted to use this as a regular calculator. So if I double click here and I enter in equals, and let's say if I have an expression like 4 plus 5 times 2 divided by 2. The way that this will solve this is that it will use BEDMAS, and if you click enter, then you'll get your value. So let's say if I also wanted to find out what the total, or if I added Bob's money and Jessica's money. So in the columns, it would be E4 and E5 together. And let's add these two together. So again, we're going to do equals E4 plus E5. Right? 4 plus 4, we should end up with 8, and that's what we get over here. Let's say if I wanted to find the sum of all the money paid in total, what I can do is I can just click on this cell underneath, and then I can click equals. And since I'm going to be selecting columns from E4 to E7, I'm just going to do E4 and then the colon E7. And we're going to say sum here, and we're going to have brackets just to show that we are finding the sum between E4 and E7. And if we click enter, then when we add all of these up, we should get 22. If I take the average of the money paid, let's say if I wanted to find the average of these, I can also do equals average, and again, open my brackets, and I go from E4 colon E7. So it's the average between E4 and E7, and that'll get me $5.50.